Good morning students, how are you? Fine. Today we will discuss our exercise 4.3. In this exercise, we will construct a quadrilateral in which two adjacent sides and three angles are given. Our first question of this exercise is question number 1, part 1. Construct a quadrilateral more more. Construct a quadrilateral more where MO is given to be 6 centimeter and OR is given to be 4.5 centimeter. Now O is the common point, so MO and OR both are adjacent sides, and some angles are also given. Angle M is equal to 60 degree, angle O is equal to 105 degree, and angle R is also equal to 105 degree. Now first of all, let us make the rough sketch of this diagram. Here, let us make a rough sketch of diagram. It is a quadrilateral having the four sides. Its name are MORE. Angle M is 60 degree. Angle O is 105. Angle R is also 105. This is only the rough sketch. Rough sketch. So now let us draw some steps. In the first step number 1, draw a line MO equal to 6 centimeter. At M make M as a center. At M draw an angle of 60 degree along suppose कीजिए ये कोई point है X and it is along Y. So along MX, clear? And at O draw an angle of 105 at O draw an angle of 105 along OY. Clear? Step number 2. In the step number 2, what we have to do? We have to make the O as a center. Make O as center. Make O as center and draw an arc of length. This is 6 centimeter, that is 4.5 centimeter. That cut the line OY at R. Now we will mark a cut at a distance of 4.5 centimeter away from O, which is 4.5 centimeter away, and its name is R. तो उसका नाम हमें क्या लिखना पड़ेगा? R. Now we have to make R as a center. Step number 3. Now at R, या make R as a center, या at R draw an angle of 105 along, suppose it is point is Z, along RZ, that intersect that intersect MX at E. So we can say, such that MORE is a required quadrilateral. Okay, so this is your question number 1. Now we have to draw the construction also. Now look at here. In the first step, we have assumed we have draw a line MO. Okay. Now at M we have drawn an angle of 60 degree using protractor or compass, whatever you have. So using protractor हमने 60 degree का angle draw कर दिया. Now at O draw an angle of 105. So it's 90 is here, just about 90, 105 degree. Now its name is along MX, its name is along OY. On the OY, open the compass of the length 4.5 and make O as a center. Mark a cut, it is 6 cm. Mark a cut at a distance of 4.5 cm from O. Named it as a R. Now make R as a center and make an angle of 105. It's 90, just a little bit more 90. So 105 degree, which intersect the previous previous line MX at the point E. So MORE. This more is the required quadrilateral. So this is your required quadrilateral, more. Now let us revise it again. First of all, draw the line MO. Then at M, draw an angle of 60 degree along MX. And at O, draw an angle of 105 at O. Now make O as a center, open the compass at the length of 4.5 centimeter. Make O as a center and make cut on the OY at R. Make R as a center of and draw an angle of 105 along RZ that intersect MX at E. So MORE is the required quadrilateral. Okay. Now in the next question you have to construct by yourself. I will draw only the construction. Now in the second part, construct a quadrilateral plan in which PL is equal to 4 cm, LA is equal to 6.5 cm, angle P is equal to 90 degree, angle A is equal to 110, and angle N is equal to 85. Okay. Now we have to draw the angle of plan. Let us first draw the rough sketch of this question. PLAN, plan. I know it is not a square, but it is just a rough diagram. So we have just mentioned the name of PLAN. It's named. At the P it is 90 degree. At A it is 110 degree. At A it is 110 degree. And at N it is 85. But at L it is not given. But we need these two adjacent sides and their respective angles. So we need only three angles, these three angles, not this one. We need this angle. So PL is given to be 4 centimeter. LA is given to be 6.5 centimeter. Now how to draw? Look at this. In the first step, we will draw PL of 4 centimeter. PL of 4 centimeter. Mid. Now, the first step, we will find the angle L. In the first step, we will find the angle L. Angle P plus angle L plus angle A plus angle N is equal to 360 degree. By which property? By angle sum property. Angle sum property. So by the angle sum property, angle value of the P is 90 degree. L is not known, so it is unknown. We write L as it is L. Angle of A is 110. Angle of N is 85. Is equal to 360 degree. Okay. Now angle L plus, add all these, 110 plus 90, 200. So 285. 360. So therefore angle P is equal to what? 360 degree minus 285. Minus 285. So on the subtraction, what we get? It is 95. It is 75. 75. 90, 290 plus 70, 360. Okay, 75 degree. Now angle L will be equal to 75 degree. Now let us construct. First of all, we have to draw a line PL of 4 centimeter. Of 4 centimeter. At P, we will make an angle of 90 degree. Along PX. Along PX. Along PX. And at L, we will draw an angle of 75 degree. 60, it's 90, it will be 75. Along LY. Along LY. फर्स्ट स्टेप में हम क्या लिखेंगे? ड्रॉ द लाइन PL. सेकंड स्टेप में ड्रॉ एन एंगल ऑफ 90 डिग्री एट P along PX and draw an angle of 75 degree at L along LY. Okay. Now the third point is A. So make L as a center and mark a cut of arc of length 6.5. अब हमें कंपास या स्केल की हेल्प से we have to measure the length of 6.5 and mark on the line LY 6.5. Okay. So now the 6.5 centimeter is given. So this point is known as the A. This point is known as the A. At the A, draw an angle of 110 using the protractor. It will be drawn using the protractor. So it will be around 110 along this way. Along AZ, along AZ, that intersect at the point N, that intersect at the point N. Okay, so now this is the plan P L A N, plan. So this is the required quadrilateral. This angle is given to be 110 degree. Okay, so this is your question number 1, part number 2. Next, part number 3. Question number 1, part number 3. Construct a parallelogram and what are the properties of the parallelogram? In the parallelogram, opposite sides and opposite angles are always equal. Okay, and adjacent angles are always of 90 degree. What are the given in this parallelogram? We have to construct an angle of parallelogram here, and in this, what are given? HE is to be 5 centimeter, EA is to be 6 centimeter, and angle R is given to be 85 centimeter. Okay. Now, what are the properties of parallelogram? HEAR. Remember, opposite angles are always equal. So we have to find all the angles first one. And what are the required angles? H, E and A. We require the 3 angles. H, E and A. So first one, angle E is equal to angle R because they are opposite angles of parallelogram. Clear? So opposite angles of parallelogram. So angle E is equal to angle R is equal to 85 degree. Is equal to 85 degree. So this angle will also be 85 degree. Now angle R plus angle H is equal to be, the sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degree. Why? The adjacent angles of parallelogram. So parallelogram के adjacent angles 180 degree के होते हैं, तो angle R 85 है. So we can find angle B equal to, angle H will be equal to 180 minus 85. When we transpose 85 to the right hand side, 180 minus 85, it is equal to 95. Now we have to find the angle A also. So angle A is equal to angle H is equal to angle 95 because they are opposite angles of parallelogram. So they are opposite angles of parallelogram. Now we have all the 3 angles and 2 adjacent sides. These 2 sides are 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Now let us construct this parallelogram. Now first of all, we will draw a line. We will draw a line of HE. This is the first step of measurement of 5 centimeter. Okay. Now at H we will make an angle of 95. It is 90, a little bit 95 degree. And at E we will make an angle of 85. Angle of 85. At E we will make an angle of 85. E, H and then A. Okay. Now we will make A as the center. We will make E as the center. We will make an angle of 95 at H along HX, and we will make an angle of 55 at E along EY. Okay, now we make E as the center and open the compass of length 6 centimeter and draw an arc of length 6 centimeter that cut EY at the point A. Now we have the point A. So now we will draw the angle of A. So angle of A is 95. So we will draw the angle of A 95 degree using protractor. Because using compass it is not being possible to draw this angle. Along AZ. So this intersection point of AZ and HX is known as the R. It is be called as R. So now HEAR is the required coordinate, required parallelogram. Okay, so this is your part number 3rd. Now come to the part number 4th of question number 1. In the next part, construct a triangle. Okay. Question number 1, part number 4. Construct the rectangle OKAY, in which OK is being equal to 7 centimeter and KA is equal to 5 centimeter. So first of all, let us make a rough sketch of the rectangle OKAY. Now remember, OK is given to be 7 centimeter and AK is given to be 5 centimeter. And also one more point is, all the angles of the rectangle are 90 degree. We know all the angles of rectangle are 90 degree, are of 90 degree. So angle O is equal to angle K is equal to angle A is equal to angle Y is equal to 90 degree. Okay. Now let us construct the quadrilateral, this rectangle. In the first step, we will draw a line OK of 7 centimeter. At both O and K, we will draw a 90 degree angle using protractor or compass. At O and at K using compass. At O, we will draw the 90 degree angle along OX, and at K, we will draw a 90 degree angle along KY, not Y. यहाँ Y हमारे पास वेरिएबल है, so it's KZ. Okay. Now open the compass of length 5 centimeter, make K as a center and draw an arc of 5 centimeter, which cuts the KZ at A. Now make A as a center and draw the 90 degree angle. that intersect at the point Y. Make a 90-degree angle at A along AW that intersect OX at Y. So now OK A Y is the required quadrilateral, required rectangle. Okay. So this is your exercise 4.1, 4.3. If you have any further doubt, you may ask in the live classes. So thank you for watching.